NAND gate universal gates, NAND gate completed. Next, NOR gate. NOR gate is constructed by constructing or connecting a NOT gate at the output of OR gate. NOR gate is constructed by connecting a NOT gate at the output of OR gate. So if A comma B are OR gate inputs, then we get the output. That output will be connected to NOT gate as an input. We get the NOR gate output. So NOR gate is a combination of OR gate and NOT gate. OR gate and NOT gate. If A comma B inputs of OR gate, then what is the output? A plus B. This is the input of NOT gate. A plus B is the input of NOT gate. What is the output of NOT gate? A plus B complement. A plus B complement. This is also NOR gate output A plus B complement. So this symbol also represents NOR gate. So NOR gate is a combination of OR gate and NOT gate. When A comma B are inputs of OR gate, first OR gate, then we get the output is A plus B. Here A plus B is the input of NOT gate. So what is the output of NOT gate? Generally, if A is input, output is A complement. Here A plus B is the input, then what is the output? Y equal to A plus B complement is the output. So this symbol also symbolic representation of NOR gate. Next, truth table for NOR gate. Truth table for NOR gate. A comma B inputs. What is the output? Y equal to A plus B complement. So in every truth table we have 4 conditions: 0 0, 0 1 condition, 1 0 condition, 1 1 condition. So here what is the output? 0 plus 0 complement. 0 plus 0, 0 complement. 0 complement 1. Next, y equal to 0 plus 1 complement. 0 plus 1 operation will give the 1. 1 complement will give 0. Next, y equal to 1 plus 0 complement. 1 plus 0 gives 0 complement 0. Sorry, 1 plus 0, 1. 1 complement 0. Y equal to 1 plus 1 complement. 1 plus 1 will gives 1 complement. 1 complement 0. This is truth table for NOR gate. Next, the NOR gate. The NOR gate constructed using discrete components. So diagram. So this is the diagram for the NOR gate constructed using discrete components. Next, NOR gate. Already we know that NOR gate is a universal logic gate. NOR gate as universal gate. NOR gate as universal gate. So NOR gate is used to perform and comma or comma not operations, and hence it is called as universal gate. NOR gate is used to perform and comma or comma not operations, and hence it is called as universal gate. So NOR gate, from NOR gate we get the output of AND gate, comma OR gate output, comma NOT gate output also. So this is NOT gate output from NOR gate. Here NOR gate performs the NOT gate operation. So this is the NOR gate, A comma B inputs. What is here output? A plus B complement. A plus B complement. So this is the NOR gate using NOR gate, A plus B complement. Here A plus B double complement. So A plus B double complement equal to A plus B. A plus B. So what is the A plus B OR gate output? These two diagrams are these two symbols for NOR gate from NOT gate and NOR gate from OR gate outputs. Next, AND gate output from NOR gate. A, B inputs. Here A complement, here B complement. Both are connected to NOR gate. So what is the NOR gate output? A plus B complement. A plus B complement. A complement plus B complement whole complement equal to A dot B. This is the AND gate output. So this is from NOR gate output, AND gate output from NOR gate. AND gate output from NOR gate. So in NOR gate also we have symbolic representation, and NOR gate is a combination of OR gate and NOT gate. OR gate and NOT gate are both are fundamental gates. Here also we have truth table. Here also we have truth table. In NOR gate, if A comma B are inputs of the NOR gate, so what is the output? A plus B complement is the output, and NOR gate constructed by discrete components diagram. Next, NOR gate as a universal gate, it gives the NOT gate comma, AND gate comma, OR gate outputs. So this is about NOR gate. This is about NOR gate. So universal gates, two gates, NAND gate and NOR gate. NAND gate and NOR gate. Two topics completed. Next is special gates. Special gates. In special gates we have XOR gate and XNOR gate. This also we can call it as a exclusive OR gate or XOR gate. This is special gate. Special gate. XOR gate. XOR gate is a modified form of OR gate. Modified form of OR gate that can have any number of inputs, but only one output. But only one output. So XOR gate is a modified form of a OR gate that can have any number of inputs but only one output. Next, the symbolic representation of exclusive OR gate or XOR gate. A, B inputs, output Y equal to, we can write A exclusive operation B. A exclusive operation B. This operation we can also write Y equal to A exclusive operation, that implies A dot B complement and A complement dot B. This A exclusive operation B value equal to A dot B complement plus A complement dot B. This is the output of exclusive OR gate. Exclusive OR gate. So if A comma B are inputs of XOR gate, then what is the output Y equal to, we can write A exclusive operation B. If we expand this operation, then we get output Y equal to A dot B complement plus A complement dot B. This is the output. Here a comma b inputs, a comma b inputs, a comma b inputs, here A is the input connected to NOT gate. Output is A complement. Output is A complement. This is B. This is B. So this is A. Here B connected to NOT gate. B complement. So this is the AND gate. In AND gate, output is A dot B. Here A complement dot B. Here what is the output? A dot B complement. This is OR gate. So what is the OR gate output? A plus B. Here one input is A complement dot B. Another input is A dot B complement. What is the output? A complement dot B plus A dot B complement. This is the output of exclusive OR gate. Exclusive OR gate. This is also exclusive OR gate with AND comma OR comma NOT gates. With AND comma OR comma NOT gates. This is only symbolic representation of XOR gate. Here also output is A exclusive operation B when A comma B inputs. This is XOR gate with AND comma OR comma NOT gates. Next, truth table for exclusive OR gate. Here also we have 4 cases. A, B inputs Y equal to A exclusive operation B. So 0, 0 condition. Both the inputs are in 0, 0 condition. So Y equal to we get 0. So Y equal to A exclusive operation B. That means A complement dot B plus A dot B complement. A dot B complement or A complement dot B. This also we can write A dot B complement, A dot B complement plus A complement dot B. So A means 0 dot 0 complement means 1 plus A complement means 0 complement means 1. B, what is the B? 0. 0 dot 1 we get 0. 1 dot 0 also we get 0. 0 plus 0, 0. Next, 0, 1 condition. A input in 0 and B input in 1 condition. What is the output? Y equal to 1. So Y equal to A dot B complement plus A complement dot B. What is the A? 0 dot B complement 1 complement 0 plus A complement 0 complement 1. B means 1. 0 dot 0 0 plus 1 dot 1 1. 0 plus 1 1. Next 1 0 condition also we get Y equal to 1. Last case, both the inputs in 1 condition. 1 1 we get Y equal to 0. So last condition, Y equal to A dot B complement plus A complement dot B. A equal to B equal to 1, that means 1 dot 1 complement 0 plus 1 complement means 0. B is 1. 1 dot 0 0 plus 0 dot 1 0. We get answer is 0. So this is truth table for exclusive OR gate. The XOR gate is used in the construction of full order and off order. Off order and full order. The XOR gate is used in the construction of off order and full order. So this is about exclusive OR gate or XOR gate. So XOR gate output is Y equal to A exclusive operation B. This also we can write Y equal to A complement A dot B complement plus A complement dot B. Next, in special logic gates, we have another gate, XNOR gate. XNOR gate. XNOR gate is written as the combination of XOR gate and NOT gate as possible. So XNOR gate is written as the combination of XOR gate and NOT gate as possible. Okay. So the symbol. This is the exclusive OR gate connected to NOT gate. A comma B inputs. What is the output here? A exclusive operation B. So this input as performs input of the NOT gate. What is the output of NOT gate? A exclusive operation B complement. A exclusive operation B complement. So A comma B inputs A exclusive operation B complement. This is also XNOR gate. Truth table of X NOR gate. Truth table of X NOR gate. A comma B inputs y equal to A exclusive operation B complement. A exclusive operation B complement. So 0 0 1 condition. What is the y? So y equal to A exclusive operation B. So what is the A exclusive operation B? A dot A complement dot B or A dot B complement? A dot B complement plus A complement dot B. Whole complement. Whole complement. So what is the A dot B complement? A is 0, 0 dot B complement means 1, A complement means 1 and B 0 whole complement. So 0 dot 1 0 plus 1 dot 0 0 whole complement, 0 plus 0 complement 1. So here what is the output? 1. In second case, A input is in 0 condition, B is in 1 condition. What is the output? What is the output? So y equal to A means 0 dot B complement 1 complement 0 plus A complement 0 complement 1, B means 1 whole complement, y equal to 0 dot 0 0 plus 1 dot 1 1 whole complement, y equal to 0 plus 1 1 complement, so 1 complement equal to 0. Next in case 3, 1 comma 0 condition. A is in 1 condition and B is in 0 condition. Again we get same value, y equal to 0. So last condition, both are in 1 1 condition. Both the inputs in 1 1 condition. That means A is in closed condition and B is in closed condition. What is the y value? What is the y value? Y equal to A means 1 dot B complement 1 complement 0 plus A complement means 1 complement 0, B means 1 whole complement, y equal to 1 dot 0 0 plus 0 dot 1 0 whole complement, y equal to 0 plus 0 0 complement, y equal to we get the output 1. This is truth table for X NOR gate. So XOR gate and XNOR gate both are special gates. Special gates. This is about logic gates. This is about logic gates. After we have topics De Morgan's theorems and Hofstadter and full adder. Hofstadter and full adder. Okay. So logic gates. In logic gates we have three types: universal gates and fundamental gates, fundamental gates and universal gates and special logic gates. In fundamental logic gates we have three gates: AND comma, AND gate, comma OR gate, comma NOT gate. In universal logic gates we have NAND gate, comma NOR gate. And in special logic gates, we have XOR gate and XNOR gate. In every gate we have symbolic representations and truth table and circuits. So every circuit will satisfy the truth table. Every circuit will satisfy truth table. So universal gates, combination of fundamental gates. Universal gates, combination of fundamental gates.